Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of backup on Temu. You will click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Temu app. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.